Vishnu. Vishnu, also known as Adideva, is one of the principal deities of Hinduism.
Preserver.
In the Hindu trade, Vishnu is referred as the supreme being in Vaishnavism, as the identical to the metaphysical concept of Brahma, and a notable adopting of various
Incarnation.
such as Avatar as Rama, Krishna to preserve and protect dharmic principles whenever the world is in threaten with evils and destructive force. In the Smarta tradition of Hinduism, Vishnu is one of the five equivalent deities worshipped in Panchayatan Puja. Mahavishnu. Mahavishnu is another important name that denotes his being the source and creator of the multi-universe as the total material energy. The Trimurti. Particularly in Vaishnavism, the so-called Trimurti represent the three fundamental forces through which the universe is created, maintained and destroyed in cyclic.
Succession.
Each of these forces is represented by the Hindu deity. Brahma represents rajas such as creation, Vishnu represents godness, prevention, Shiva represents darkness and destruction. In Hindu tradition, the trio is often known as Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha, all the same meaning of the three in one, different forms or
Manifestations.
of one person, the supreme being. Avatars. Whenever rightness wants and unrighteousness increases, I send myself forth for the protection of the good and for the destruction of the evil, and for the establishment of rightness. I come into being age after age. The concept of Avatara within Hinduism is most associated with Vishnu, preserver within the Hindu Trimurti. The avatar of Vishnu designed to empower the good and destroy the evil, thereby restoring dharma and relieving the burden of the earth. Dashavatara. The Bhagavad Purana describes Vishnu's avatara as innumerable, though then 10 of his
Incarnation.
the 10 best known avatars of Vishnu are collectively known as Dashavatara, the avatars of Vishnu. Matsya. Matsya is a half fish, half man avatara. He saves the world from a cosmic deluge with the help of the board made of the Vedas, on which he rescues Manu and all living beings. Demon Hagrid steals and tries to destroy the book, but Matsya finds the demon, kills it, and returns the Vedas. Kurma. Kurma is a tortoise avatara. He supports the cosmos, while the gods and demons crunch the cosmic ocean with the help of serpent Vasuki to produce the nectar of immortality. The churning produces both the good and bad, including poison and immortality nectar. Nobody wants the poison, everyone wants the immortality nectar. Varaha is a boar avatar. He rescues goddesses Earth with the demon
Hiranyaksh.
kidnaps her and hides her in the despite of cosmic ocean. The boar finds her and kills the demon, and goddesses holds on the tusk of the boar and lifts her back to the surface. Narsimha, half lion, half man avatar, demon king Hiranyakashipu becomes amorous powerful, gains special power by which no one, no man or no animal could kill him. Then bullies and
Persecuted.
people who disagree with him, including his own son. The man lion Uttara creatively defeats those special power, kills Hiranyakashipu and rescues demon's son Prahlada who opposed his own father. This legend is a part of the Hindu festival Holi. Vamana. Demon king Mahabali fought against the Devas and won heaven, and thus became the ruler of heaven, earth, and the underworlds. Though he was a benevolent king, he was a demon, and the Devas led by Indra went to Lord Vishnu to help them get back heaven. Lord Vishnu, although did not want to punish Bali because he was a good king, instead decided to test him While the king was distributing alms among the people, Vishnu in the Vamana avatar approaches Bali in the form of a monk who offers him land, money, jewelry, and all the riches. However, the monk refuses and asks for the 3 steps of land. Bali grants it to him. The dwarf grows in this first step, takes the earth and the netherworld, and in second of all of the heaven. Bali, now
Understands.
who is in front of him, offers his head to the Lord to put his head on at the third place. Lord Vishnu gave him a boon of immortality and allowed him to return to his people every year on the occasion of Onam. Parashurama, sage with an axe avatara, the warrior class get too powerful and seizes other people
Property for their own.
pleasure. The avatara appears as a sage with an axe, kills all the Adharmi kings
With all his warriors.
companies. Rama. Rama, also known as Ramachandra, is a major deity of Hinduism. He is the 7th avatar of Lord Vishnu, one of the most popular.
Incarnations.
Rama was born to Kaushalya and Dasharatha in Ayodhya,
The ruler of the kingdom of
Kosal Nagar. His siblings included Lakshmana, Bharata, and Shatrugna. He married to Sita. Though born in royal family, their life is described in the Hindu text as one of the challenged by unexpected changes such as exile to improvised and difficult circumstances. Of all and their tribularies, the most notable is the kidnapping of Sita by demon king Ravana, followed by the determined and epic efforts of Rama and Lakshmana to gain her freedom and destroy the evil Ravana against great odds. Mohini. The demons attempt to steal the nectar, where Vishnu appears in the form of Mohini Avatara, for whom they all fall and give the nectar. Shri Krishna. Krishna is the major deity of Hinduism. He is worshipped as the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu and also the supreme god in his own right. He is a god of compassion, steadiness, love, and one of the most popular and widely among the Indian
divinities.
Krishna's birthday is celebrated every year by Hindus on Krishna Janmashtami according to lunisolar Hindu calendar, which falls in the late August or early September. Krishna is usually depicted with a flute in his hand.